Hello guys, good morning. So this is our day 3 and we are in Gokarna. Yesterday we came to Gokarna at around 10:30 and we checked into our hostel. So after that we had our dinner and we slept over. So now the time is 8:30 and we are getting ready. So this is our hostel. So this is where Sriman slept and that is where I slept. So it's basically a 8-bed dormitory. So today's plan is to go to Murdeshwar and Om Beach, Kundle Beach, and there are some waterfalls called Vibhuti Falls. So we are planning to go over there too. So as of now, we'll go for a walk in the beach.
Continue on Murdeshwar Temple Main Road for 1.5 kilometers.
So finally, we arrived in Murdeshwar. So as you can see, there's a huge Gopuram as well as stupa of Lord Shiva. Hi guys, so the time is exactly 1 p.m. So we are in Murdeshwar near the temple. So actually this is around 60 to 65 kilometers from Gokarna. But in the maps there's another wrong location which people are following.
Which is just around 10 to 15 kilometers.
That is just around 10 to 15 kilometers and that is completely wrong.
So we went there and we realized when we asked local, so he was replying that that's a false location and then people often come over there mistaking that is the original place.
So the actual place is 60 to 65 kilometers away from Gokarna. So just be careful while finding the location on maps.
So this is the temple of Murdeshwar. Basically this is a Shiva temple which is located on the banks of Arabian Sea. So there are few activities going on here like jet ski and boating. So if people are interested, they can come down with their swimsuits to enjoy all these things. So this is the place where we are going to have our lunch. Hi Shriman. So the time is 2:45. So in next 15 minutes, I think the temple will be open. So we just completed our lunch and we had South Indian meals, which was very good. And the rates over here are very nominal. I mean very cheap actually. So there is we took 75 rupees for a thali, and that was very good too. So if you are coming to this place, you should definitely give it a try. And the hotel name is Naveen Beach Restaurant. So now we are on the 18th floor of the mandapam which you have seen. So this is the view from there.
Hi guys, so we are finally done with Murdeshwara temple. So it's really crazy. I think you have seen some of the videos from the 18th floor which is behind me from the Gopuram. It was really kick-ass. Now we are getting back to Gokarna. So now the time is 4:45 and now we are heading towards Gokarna. See you back in Gokarna.
So now the time is 6 o'clock and we have reached our hostel Tripper, and this is the viewpoint. So we have successfully completed Murdeshwar and that was a great fun. So people has to visit that place. It's a very good place with very good vibes. So we'll go and we'll freshen up and we'll enjoy the sunset.
Hi guys, so we are back to our hostel. So we are just chilling over here. So right now the situation is entire Karnataka is shut down. I mean, there are no public transportations, there are no trains, there are no flights. Only people by their own transportation they can travel anywhere. And the worst part is, like, from tomorrow there will be no accommodations available in any part of Karnataka because of coronavirus. So that is the current situation. So we are just thinking, like, we wanted to stay tomorrow as well, but because of the situation, we are just thinking maybe we might or we might not start tomorrow. So let's see. We'll decide in the morning.
Go Corona.
Go Corona.
Go Corona.
Corona go.
Corona go.
Go 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 go.
Go 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 go. Corona.
Corona go. खत लिखता हूँ मैं खून से. आवान रावले.
अरे वाह 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 वाह.
हाँ. खत लिखता हूँ मैं खून
वाह
से.
वाह वाह वाह.
अरे आग बे. खत लिखता हूँ मैं खून से, उसे सिराई ना समझो. खत लिखता हूँ मैं खून से, उसे सिराई ना समझो. हम मरते हैं आप पे, हमें मुर्दा ही ना समझो.
Not let you eat.
Yeah. The dogs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They won't let you eat.
No.
They're gonna sit on your head if they
course.
want it.
Of course.
And they are fed by these hospitals.